You think you've been buried, but actually you've been planted. Actually, this is one of my favorite quotes, and this is not by random that I kept hearing this today. They tried to bury the divine feminine, Mary Magdalene, and the Rose Codex through time and space. I am humbly here grateful beyond measure to be able to have been chosen by God the Most High for my sacred purpose, mission here on planet Earth, to help you reconnect, allow, receive this sacred wisdom through your DNA. You are going to be activating. Your dormant DNA is fully ready to receive these codes. These codes are going to change the course 111 on the timer of your life. You carry within your system the future of humanity. And here, as a shaman, starseed, light worker, light ambassador, high priestess of the Hathors and the Mahats, I'm going to help you activate your system. This is the time. Light workers are needed to be fully ready to embody their sacred mission now more than ever. You need to speak your truth. You need to show your face. You need to write this book. You need to come on social media and spread your gospel. Your medicine as a healer. You are needed. Now the world is crumbling. The fear is taking place. Dark forces are around more than ever. You want to activate your system fully aligned with your highest timeline, where you belong. Take a deep breath in. Make sure no one is going to disturb you. Lay down if you can. And receive these codes. Downloads and activation for your soul. Kai say connecting in a deeper scale to Mary Magdalene and her dragon, dear Mother Mary, Gaia, Isis, Hathor, Kagima, Asa, Yana, Yokoma, Ara kutse indo o u a ara ana atse iyoko a anatatakeya tere iyo no o a ayaka omoe iyo o a no kukuru uma asere iyo o a ara yonakaya sere iyo sawakia receive the golden rose kuma ai kia na iya ara e ioko onto o ozoro kuma a niantara o kuayo. I dare you to witness what you're going to receive. You cannot, I'm hearing, run from God's plan right now. You're at the verge of understanding the whole question mark of your life on planet Earth. You're an enigma, but it will all make sense. I got chills everywhere. It will all make sense for the world and for you very soon. This is very big. If you want to dig deeper, please check my website. I have very powerful quotes, masterclass, and a session perfectly designed and crafted, co-created with the Most High for you, Lightworker, for you to align, for you to activate with your soul purpose fully. Check this out. You just don't want to miss that. And thank you for everybody who has purchased already. I knew you were ready. Believe me. Thank you so much for being here. You think you know what is going to happen after you listen to this session, but just see. I'm eternally grateful again. Thank you for all of you for being here. I love you so much. I have guidance and synchronicity. Maybe for some of you, the synchronicities of you being a light worker, maybe this is just new for you, this whole concept. And actually the session has been handcrafted, designed for that also, for the one who knew, for the one that are very close to be on the spotlight, and for those of you that is just new and it's a new concept. I have confidence, I have divine love, and I have present moment. You see, I started this session with divine flow. I kept saying 369, the divine flow. Someone out there is really understanding the power of manifestation, of you being fully present here is creating tomorrow. And this is everything you actually have to understand. Confirmation on my phone. And this is giving you full confidence right now. You're glowing. That's all I want to say. Until next time.